This is a little bit different. This is from, you know, from my state family. Shout out to my state family, you know what I'm saying? They welcome me with open arms in the state family, you know what I'm saying? Me just stay right now, because I ain't gonna lie, if you haven't checked it out, they're called the Stray Kids, and they're mad dope, you know what I'm saying? They're a Korean pop group, and they're, you know, they're mad dope. They're just different. You gotta be able to stay a step out of your box, out of your comfort zone, kind of get this. So this is for my stay subscribers, you know what I'm saying? They still listen to dancehall as well. But you see me? I'm core dancehall subscriber. Y'all might not enjoy this one, but check it out. Keep an open mind. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Maybe I shouldn't even do it on this stream, to be honest. We're gonna check it out. We're gonna check out this one real quick, and then I'm gonna get back to the rest of the dancehall video, just in case. You know what I'm saying? Somebody came across this. Yeah, we'll do a live reaction. But yeah, go check it out right now, man. Stray Kids, Get Lit video. Hey man, it's gonna be dope. Their style is very different. I hope this is a really good one. I hope this ain't got no weird stuff in it. You know what I'm saying? Well, hey, let's jump right. This is Stray Kids, Get Lit. Let's get it, gang. Is that Eugene? If I'm not getting it right, gang? Alright.
That's okay. 바로 중독. 아직도 빠진 애들 행동들이 꿈떡처럼게. We're gonna pull it up. 물론 건전하게 탄산으로.
What? Carbonated water? What? Hold on, gang. Yes, let's get it. But the video is mad dope, though. The video is always clean. Style always different. So. The next time we're gonna rock it now, we're gonna play like a gangster, bro. Stop playing with them. Come on.
할일 없이 멍 때리네 미친 것처럼 벽 보고 헛소리 oh yeah yeah 거참 소름 돋게 또 할 거라고 생기지 일거리 산더미 oh yeah I don't wanna do it I don't wanna do it 그냥 다 내려놓고 마냥 미친 듯이 놀래 내 탈끝 보너리 멋쟁이
hold on they spitting this like yo they don't want to do it they want to spew it well hold on let's get it
그냥 다 내려놓고 마냥 미친 듯이 놀래 내 탈끝 보너리 멋쟁이들 내일이 오고만 죽어보자.
Whether tomorrow comes or not, get lit. You know what I'm saying? They basically say enjoy your life. You know what I'm saying? Don't make work overtake and you know what I'm saying pile up. Hey.
Oh yeah, we're not gonna die young. Oh yeah. 오늘은 벌자. 어깨 펴고 달려. 당당히 사람들 앞에서 춤 사이로. 발그루차. 곰살곰 살겨. 단번에 불던 바람에.
These man, every time I watch these man remind me of the Akatsuki, bro. You know what I'm saying? They're all. You feel me? These niggas mad cool, bro.
오늘 컨셉 중요치 않아 flow. 이내 발걸음부터 반복. 뚜뚜. Walking like a talking never limbo. Play 노래 지금 기분 증명하는 심.
You see, no my hey, bro, you know this all this stuff they be doing, bro. They be really doing some black stuff or some. They be doing some nigga shit in this. If you notice how them hip hop on style, really, they change their skin color. If they change their skin color, that's some black shit they doing, bro. You just got them to speak a different language, bro. Real talk, no cap.
할일 없이 멍 때리네 미친 것처럼 벽 보고 헛소리 oh yeah yeah 거참 소름 돋게 또 할 거라고 생기지 일거리 산더미 oh yeah I don't wanna do it I don't wanna do it 그냥 다 내려놓고만.
And for any yard I wanna know them on a fish. You see me? They're not them on a fish if you know I wonder. Just because I did the research and everything, they just mad cool and them close friends, you know what I'm saying?
죽어보자. Oh yeah, we're not gonna die young. Oh yeah, 오늘 우린 붙자.
So we're not gonna die young, you know what I'm saying? Yeah.
어깨 펴고 달려. 당당히 사람들 앞에서 춤 사이다. 발그루차. 보살곰 살겨. 간밤에 부던 바람에 춤박 이고.
So let's, you know what I'm saying? Hold it up, dance in front of people, let go, man. Loosen up, bro. Don't be afraid, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. When today passes, tomorrow sun will rise and start again. Hey, come on.
해가 뜨고 또 시작이야 죽었던 표정 풀어 오늘만큼은 shall we dance all night yeah 터져버린 스피커 폰에서 음악 틀고 노래 그냥 feel low 부셔버린 킹콩
like a King Kong. What? Come on. Hey, that video is dope. They got all the elements of like, you know, early 90s hip hop, you know, 2000s. If you look at the videos, bro, they all took elements from hip hop music, bro. Black culture, bro. You're like,
Let's go.
oh, so this is where this beat come from, bro? Oh, you be seeing it in that commercial all the time. I be hearing in that commercial. What commercial is that? Is that a Yo Play commercial? Where it's like, you get it? Okay, it's been Stray Kids this whole time. I did not know. It is vibing. They just in their own world, man, living life, bro. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I career, bro. That Stray Kid guys really surprised me. I did not know like they still put together groups like back in the day with R&B groups. And you ever seen Making the Band with PD? That's how they put together K-pop groups in Korea. It's like they still that stage. They're still in music over there. You know what I'm saying? Well, nowadays, you know, they're like the Migos and them. You have to form your own group and stuff. Yeah, they're still doing stars and stuff, man. Yeah. But shout out to Stray Kids, man. You feel me? Yeah. Dope group, dope music. And it's like fascinating how they all came together from different walks of life. They got put together. And Panchan was actually one that named their group Stray Kids because they're all from different places and they found their, you know, their home where each other's at. Which mad dope, man. So shout out to Stray Kids, bro. You know what I'm saying? And shout out to my Stay family. Let's get lit, you know what I'm saying? I'm enjoying reacting to Stray Kids so far. Their videos are mad dope. Beat choices and stuff. They're just mad different from what we normally react to. So shout out to y'all, man, for, you know, showing love. And you know, just sending me these requests and these videos, man, for me to go and watch. So, you know, I'm enjoying it and I'm enjoying the journey. So shout out to y'all. Shout out to my state.